Alright, star of the show. I believe this is Atlas, either 8243 or 8293. I don't remember which. Inbound from Baltimore. B747. I've not seen one of these coming into land here in 9 years, even though I know they've come in since then. But, yeah. It is literally 12:52 in the morning. Come on, focus. I had to come out here to catch this historic aircraft. The queen of the skies. People who quit driving by. I'm trying to film a fucking legendary plane. Are y'all done? Y'all done? I think it's some sort of troop movement. Really, people? Now? Why are there so many of you? Oh. I'm fine, I'm just filming a plane.
Oh, me too.
Oh, cool, yeah, the 747.
Yeah, I just noticed it on flight radar. I'm from the Sky West hitting here.
Oh, sweet, yeah. Oh, cool stuff.